Alright. A testament to dedicated leadership and service, the ceremony stands in reflection of steadfast governance and an enduring commitment to the people's conception through the vision, perseverance, and tireless efforts of the executive branch of the municipal government. Okay, I would like to acknowledge, of course, those who are here. Special thanks to those who played a crucial role in the construction of this structure. Department of Public Works and Highways Engineer Edward Ricardo Ramos and the DPWH engineers who expertly oversaw the construction and engineering supervision. Engineer Adolfrudes Catanes, Engineer Robin Pabustan, Engineer Adrian Sevilla, Architect Dennis Conana. In recognition of the outstanding craftsmanship and commitment to excellence, this plaque commends P2B3 Builders and Supply, Tyrone Rigor, President and CEO, Engineer Eugene Sumang, Engineer Manuel Torres Jr., Architect Carmel Gulapa, and with appreciation to Jaime Reynoso and Arnold Laxina. Thank you to all the department heads as well. Paging one available priest by the staircase naman po. Ayan, pwede